It's cold outside and your skin is dry. Let's get warm and cozy with this here guy. I'm making a breakfast casserole. Fire up the oven. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals. It's cold outside, we're gonna make it warm in here, and we're gonna start off the day with cinnamon roll casserole. It's a warm and delicious one-pot dish that's ooey-gooey. Little ripped off pieces of bread with cinnamon, sign me up. We start off with some bread here. Now this can be leftover stale bread, it could be challah bread, it could be hamburger or a hot dog bun. It really doesn't matter. We're gonna throw these in the oven so that we can toast them so that they retain a little bit of structure. Much like a traditional French toast, we've gotta make something to soak the bread in. We start with cream. This is gonna give us that viscous, gooey center. Package drawer butter. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of vanilla extract. Bloop, bloop. Cinnamon, very important. Some brown sugar, a tiny bit of salt, and we're gonna come in with some milk. 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. This is a bunch of fat, this is a bunch of spices, it's a little bit of salt that makes the bread soft and amazing. But it doesn't really give us the ooey-gooey component. We need eggs for that. Boom, boom, bloop. We're looking for an ooey-gooey, dense, incredible warmness. How do we achieve that? With a process called tempering. We've got our hot milk, cream, and spice mixture. Pour it into the eggs a little bit at a time to slowly bring the temperature of the eggs up. This way they're not shocked into becoming coagulated scrambled eggs. The eggs have not solidified. I guess you could say their mood is tempered. Look at our breads. They're crunchy, that's nice, so they're gonna have some structural integrity before we soak them with liquid, which is gonna soften them. Cast iron skillet, here we go. We're basically making bread pudding here. Let's pour our egg mixture over top. Infuse each piece with the cinnamon spiced milk cream. And now, as an exercise in patience, we let this fully soak for 20 minutes. All right, I'm done being patient. It's time to throw this into the oven. We're looking for a golden top and a set everything. At the end of the day, this is a really simple recipe, right? We throw familiar ingredients together and we bake it in the oven. But there's 2 fundamental things that we strugglers cannot overlook. Very important to pre-toast your bread. This is gonna dehydrate it a little and give it some structure. The second thing that's really important is that we temper the eggs. Slowly bring the temperature of the eggs up with your cream and cinnamon mixture, and you will have something that is like reminiscent of Victorian villas breakfast serving, even though they probably didn't have this scientific technology to make this happen then, but it feels very luxurious. That's the point I'm trying to make. The cinnamon butter aroma is intoxicating. Reminds me a lot of a cinnamon roll, so I think we should make a glaze. We've got some cream cheese here. Throw in some powdered sugar. And mix this together. Definitely want to make sure your cream cheese is soft so that this will work out nicely. All right, so here comes butter from the packet drawer. 1, 2, a little more vanilla extract, and 3 little tablespoons of milk here just to help us get something that's a little bit more liquidious. We've got our cream cheese sugar glaze ready. The casserole is set, it looks delicious. Let's cut into it. Crunchy on top, gooey in the middle. That's how I like it. It smells really warm and cozy, and I think part of it is that really soft but cooked center. It's intoxicating. Let's get some glaze on there. Oh my goodness. I ain't done yet. Just a little bit more cinnamon. Oh. All right, listen, I overdid it a little bit. Maybe it's extra warm and cozy. That's totally fine. This is coming to 91 cents a serving. It was easy to make. My home is filled with cinnamony aromas, and everybody's like, ooh, what's that? May I have some? And the answer, of course, is yes, because I've got 8 servings here. Let's cut into this and see how it tastes. Gotta love it. Soft and crunchy, cozy and comforting. I mean, give me a cup of joe with this and I'm set.